guys and girls, since I published the videos about the Estetica Designs Smokehouse colors, especially the Icy Shadow Blonde, many of you have asked me to please describe the color a little better. You wanted to know more about the root color as well, so I put together this comparison video. What we have here is Orchid in the beautiful new color, Icy Shadow. And then I am wearing Orchid in the very popular blonde color, RH1488RT8. This is also a rooted blonde. So let me show you the differences. Icy Shadow is a multi-dimensional color with a golden brown base and nape. And you can see the golden brown here at the nape. And then it's layered with ice blonde and soft sand blonde on top, and then it has dark roots. Estetica does not give us the color number for the root, but if you look at the number 8 root on this color, you'll see that they match. So as far as I know, Icy Shadow has a number 8 brown root. Now many of you have also asked, is this a cool silvery blonde? Well, it depends on what you consider silvery. A lot of people have a different opinion about this. But if you take a look at this ice blonde with sand blonde blend up against this highlighted copper blonde, you can see that indeed it is very cool. And I think a little bit silvery. Let's take a look all the way around. To further investigate the color, let's go outside and take a look at both colors in natural light. Another interesting thing I'd like to point out, these are both Orchid wigs, but look at the difference in side fringe style from this Icy Shadow to this RH1488RT8 version. This has a wave here. It seems to be thicker at the front. This seems to be a little different at the front, straighter. It's very interesting. People often wonder why they'll buy a style and then the next time they order the style it's a little different. Well, that has to do with the manufacturing. If you're interested in purchasing Orchid in any of the beautiful Estetica design colors, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. They have great customer service and free shipping. If you have questions about this style or either color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching my color comparison video featuring the Estetica Designs Orchid wig. Have a great day. Bye-bye.